Hey everyone, welcome back. Forgot your Wells Fargo password or username and cannot log in into the app? Here is exactly how to reset it in under a minute. Step by step, no need to call the bank. Open Wells Fargo mobile and then tap sign in. On the username and password screen, look for a link that says forgot username or password or trouble signing in. Tap on it. Wells Fargo will ask whether you've forgotten your username or password or both. Tap password on this next screen, enter your username and tap continue. Wells Fargo will verify your identity. Next, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and your date of birth. Tap continue. After verifying, Wells Fargo will send you a one-time password to your registered phone number. Enter that phone code and then tap submit. You will now see a screen where you can create your own new password. Make it strong, at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and at least one symbol. Enter it twice to confirm and tap submit. Your password is now updated and Wells Fargo will log you straight into your accounts. If you also forgot your username, choose the option that at the start and the Wells Fargo app will walk you through the recovery the same way. So all you've got to do is go to Wells Fargo app, go to trouble signing in on, and then forgot password, verify with SSN and DOB, get the code, create a new password.